ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls and everyone in between, and welcome. I've bought a new bike. I'm not going to tell you what it is right now. Half of you have probably guessed already. But this bike is something else. I'm sat upright, straight back. I've got extra wide bars on this little beast. Say little, it is a 600, that is a clue. It's a 600, it's a naked. Can you figure out what it is yet? Well, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go somewhere nice and beautiful and scenic on this cloudy day, and I'm going to show you what I bought. This sounds awesome. It's so flickable, gorgeous, lovely, and I've already ridden it faster than I rode the ZX6R. On the way out of rides, I had to do about a 100-mile round trip to go pick this bike up. And I rode the ZX6R there, and I got up to about 70, and I was shitting myself. And I had to stop after 45 minutes to, because my hands went numb. So let's go somewhere, open her up a little bit. Go, 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 go! I'm feeling tingly in my testicles. I will point out one thing when I do the walk around, is the chain and sprocket is mighty dirty and the chain's a bit loose. But I got back late last night and I haven't had a chance to clean it or fix it. I'll be doing that whilst this video is rendering. Oh, baby, baby. So, have you guessed what it is? The Suzuki Bandit 600 naked Scorpion can. Yes, baby. It's only done nearly 39,000 miles, which is pretty good. Extra wide bars, which I really flipping like. I don't like the mirrors, so I'm going to get some bar ends there. Like I said, look at that, I might get that sorted. I love the old style. I love the look of the old style bikes, I really do. I wasn't this excited about the Ninja. I appreciated the Ninja for what it was, but I'm not the type of rider that can really take advantage of the Ninja. Like I said, the chain and sprocket needs a really good clean. Look at that slack. Really do love it. I absolutely love it. Balls deep. Balls deep. I've seen other Bandits and I haven't really been that impressed with them. Maybe I love this because it's mine. Just love it. Look at that. Oh, sweet as. If you like Bandit 600s, if you like humorous, handsome guys, don't watch me. No, watch me because I'm humorous. Thank you very much. I'm going to enjoy this scenery now. Probably smoke some weed or something. No, I don't do weed. I'll just do some cocaine.
Watch our bandit run. Old Smokey's got them ears on. He's hot on your trail. And he ain't gonna rest till you're in jail. So you got to dodge him, you got to duck him. You gotta keep that diesel trucking. Just put that hammer down and give it hell. He's bound and down, loaded up and trucking. Are we gonna do what they say can't be done? We've got a long way to go and a short time to get there. I'm eastbound up, watch our bandit run.